Hello, good evening all.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening.
Good evening, sir.
Ile
Good evening, sir.
Deepak, Akshay, Rajat, Gopi, Shweta, good evening all.
ना वो नहीं मालूम था वो मालूम पड़ गया अभी.
Okay, so shall I do means shall I design that file
नो
or
सर वो तो
is it
इजी है
okay?
हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा.
Okay, but for others, Deepak, Rajat, Shweta, Akshay, Gopi, Subhajit, how to repair
Not,
A
not
style? Shall we do that thing or shall we proceed? Rajat, Akshay,
proceed, sir.
okay. Let's save the file, rename the file and save it. Let's save this one, Control S. Okay. Now, what is this? Any idea?
The side
Yes.
sheet,
Side shield of what?
sheet
Sir,
metal.
CG cleaner.
Okay. See,
Seat decliners.
seat recliner. Good. Uh, can you see this cover? Side cover, this one gray. Okay.
Yes sir.
Black. Let's go for some premium. Let's go with Audi. Images. This one. Okay. This one. This or this one. Okay. So what is the purpose? Okay. So what is the use? Here you can see. Okay, what is the purpose of this button? Any idea?
To move the seat front and back.
Front and back. And what is the purpose of this second and third then?
I think third one is for tilting the seat to through recliner at an angle,
Okay.
back and front.
Hmm. Okay. So this button, the second one. See, the total system is, we will call it as HMI, human machine interface. Okay. So first one is circle. Inside circle, I think we will have some function like this, arrows. Second button is something like this. Third button is something like this. So there will be one axis for this button. On this first button, circular button, you have four options. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the second one, you can tilt like this. Okay. You can tilt this button around this axis. And for the vertical, you can tilt like this. Okay. The third switch will be for, it will rotate like this. Okay. So we have multiple functionality in sets. So what is this? We call it as side cover. Okay. This is side cover. Someone will call it as side cover, someone will call it as valence cover or side shield of seat. Any doubt? What is this? HMI, human machine interface. Clear? Okay, so we have this part. We have this part right now. What is this? Yes. This surface, what will you call it as?
A surface.
A surface.
Styling surface, sir.
Styling surface, A surface, which we will receive from OEM, styling team. Okay. So what do you think? What will the first task?
We can check the tangency conductivity.
Okay. What will the first task?
क्रिएट करना सर.
Sorry, your voice is breaking.
मिसिंग
Deepak?
सरफेस क्रिएट करना है.
Yes, we will create missing surface. Okay. We will create some missing surface. So here you can see we have some missing surface. I think now you can design this surface, yes or no? Any doubt?
हाँ सर.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. So your job is now, so what is the task? The
Sir,
task, yes,
sir,
yes.
suppose we are getting the styling surface from team lead, we cannot modify that, na, sir.
You can modify
Without the permission, the team lead, we
without
cannot
permission,
modify.
you can't modify. But if the
We can
surface,
prepare the PPT.
you can prepare and you can share in meeting. You can mention your points in meetings. Okay. Otherwise, suppose tell me this surface will be visible, yes or no? Is it visible? If you are assembling this cover in your car set, tell me the bottom surface is visible, yes or no?
Not visible, sir.
Not visible. So if you have some issue, let's say this surface is not clearing in tool, you can modify this surface. Okay. If there are some small patches, you can modify, but don't modify this style. Okay. If there are major changes, if there is some major issues in style, don't try to modify. First discuss with your team lead, then discuss with your client. Okay, this is the first point. Now you have these things, the A style. Okay, so what is the purpose of this wire? We will learn how to design wire first, then we will learn some fixation, how to add some fixation on this wire, which will be, the fixation will be on side cover, then that fixation we will use to fix the side cover on the wire. So what is the purpose of wire? Wire will be welded on the side member. So what is side member? I will show you the complete structure. What is the side member? See, here we have compass. Okay, here we have compass. If you click on Z, you will get the top view, bottom view. If we click on X, the front view. If you click on Y, the side view. Again, if you click on Y, you will get the inside Y view, side view from inside. Okay, so these are the shortcuts again. Now let's consider wire is fixed. Wire is fixed. So for today, what we will do? We will design one fixation, or let's say,
So,
yes,
so what is the meaning of this wire and its purpose?
the purpose of this wire is, see, we will have some fixation on the back side, we will have some fixation on the wire. Okay, and this wire is fixed with what? With the side member. What is side member? Let me show you the set structure. Okay, can you see this one?
Yes, sir.
So this is the side member. Okay, this is a side member. Okay, we have the structures. Okay, so this we will call it as side member. okay, which is fixed, the structure of seat, and the wire what we have, it will be welded. What happened? See, it will be welded. Okay, so that wire will be like this. Got it? Here we have welded the wire.
So is it so it is metallic wire, sir?
Yeah, metal wire. Okay, strong wire. So it is welded on the side member on this two end, and this complete length is open. For what? Let's say this is the diameter of wire, the cross section of wire. We will design some fixations. Fixations will be something like this. Let me change the color, make it yellow. Like this. Okay. From top side, we will have some ribs. Clear? So this will the wire in the middle, and this feature we will call it as hook. This is hook portion. Yellow. Okay. So for today, what we will do, your job is to design the close volume. Okay. To do the close volume of this complete cover. Okay. So you have to make a close volume for this cover. Okay. Thickness. So what is the thickness? Thickness is 2.5 mm. Okay. For close volume, consider this as a 2.5 mm. Sorry. Okay. Task close volume with 2.5 mm thickness. Clear? So I'm just sharing this file. I'm sharing this file. Okay. Now, I think you can do this. Yes or no? Nilay, Deepak, Rajat,
Yes,
can
sir.
you do the close
Yes,
volume?
sir.
I don't think you need any
Yes, sir.
help. Okay. Just try with just try this one. Try to use perfect tools. Okay. Don't do some jugadu things. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. So I think let's learn how to design the wire.
So let's say, for example, if we get a styling feature or a surface from the customer end,
Hmm.
so how do we decide to offset that a surface within outside or inside? How to decide that?
Okay. See, what is the meaning of a surface style? A surface means the surface which will be visible to the user or the customer. That is our A
Okay.
surface. If
Okay.
your part is not visible to any customer, we will call it as a technical part.
Okay.
Okay. Let's say a switch box cover. Okay, some fixation, some structural part. Most of the time, see, in some cases you will find this wire. In some cases you will find some plastic part. Okay, instead of this metal wire. So sir, how to decide whether should we offset inside or outside? See, with this surface you will have some information regarding the environment part. Okay, here will be some environment part. So if I click on Z, If we click on Z like this, okay. So here will be the environment part on this side. That means you're going to add some B-side feature. So what is B-side feature? B-side feature means hook, the fixations. The fixations feature, we will call it as B-side feature. Okay. With the help of which you will assemble the valence cover or the side cover on structure, on the structure part, on the metal part, on the sheet metal. Okay. So can
Okay.
you imagine this is a side cover, and if you add some fixation on this side, tell me on which side you will offset this surface for 2.5 mm thickness.
Towards left side.
Left side means inside. Okay.
Yes.
Inside wire side, sir.
Sorry.
Wire side, sir.
Yes,
Offset.
wire side. Yes, perfect. Wire side. Okay. Now, for at least today's session, now we will learn how to design wires. Okay, this wire. Because after wire, we will learn how to add fixation. Okay. Till that, you can just close the surface and create one closed volume of 2.5 mm thickness. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, sir, how to design the wire? Okay. Let's hide the style. You can rename this file, no issue. Okay. So I will just save this file as a live session. Okay, let's hide the file style. Now this is a wire. This is a wire. Click on ISO view. Where is the ISO view? This one. Click on this. Okay, and click on fit all in. Fit all in. Okay, so what do you think? Where should be the axis of this wire? What do you think? To design this wire,
Near
where should be the axis?
near the bottom of the circle, any side.
Okay. See.
Or you can
Hmm.
take in the middle as well on the top.
Okay. Okay. First, you will have to compare the orientation of this wire or the design of this wire with this one. What is this? Our master compass. Clear? Now, sir, right now we don't have any axis system in this file. So how can I compare the orientation with the compass? So now in your file, can you see there is no, click on fit all in, click on ISO view. Can you see in the tree, there is no axis system. Okay. But sir, I want absolute access system. Do you know what is absolute access system? What is design access system? Any idea? Anyone?
No, sir. No, sir.
No. So what is absolute access system? What is design access system? See, let's consider this is your rear wheels. This is your front wheel of the car. This is front axle. Okay. Here you have steering. Undo. Here is steering. This is driver seat, backrest, and headrest. This is top view, okay, and this is passenger seat, backrest, and headrest. And on the second row, let's say you have a bench seat like this. What is this? What do you think? Why this box is in small size and this is a bigger one? What is the meaning?
Individual seats are those.
Okay,
I think
let's
sir, like
this. Hmm? Sorry.
Back seat.
Okay, rear seat. Okay, we will call it as row 2. What is this?
Row 2.
This is row 1. This is row 2. If you are another segment, it will be row 3.
Okay.
Okay, like Tata Safari. Okay, so this is row 1 where we will call it as this is our driver seat. This is our passenger seat. This complete we will call it as row 1. This is row 2, and if you have 7-seater, this will be row 3 on the back side. Okay, now what is absolute access system? Okay, here is the steering, means this is the front side, yes or no? This is the front side. Okay, this is your front side. The middle point will be the absolute access system. Okay, so sir, what is absolute access system? This will be, tell me. Now you have the compass, just focus on this compass and tell me the axis name.
I think X axis and Y.
XY.
XY.
Vertical X, horizontal Y.
Vertical
Yes. X.
X, horizontal
Horizontal Y.
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 Any doubt in this? Yes, any doubt?
No, sir.
So this axis system is here. Clear? This will be
Yes, sir.
our universal constant axis system. Okay, with respect to this, we will design each and every part of car, vehicle, each and every. Let's say, sir, I want to work on door panel. This access system is important. I want to work on the central console. What is central console? The center portion, this one, where you will find HMI, gearbox, here, gearbox and all. The stylish part, here you will have some armrest, storage box. This is the central console. Okay, this is the central console. So let's say this is your second row door. This is your front passenger side door. If you want to work on any part, this access system is very important. The orientation of this access system, we will call it as absolute access system. Shit. Okay. Okay. Now, so what is design access system? Tell me now on which part you are working now. Which part you have received?
Seat side cover.
Seat side cover. Where will be the position of that side cover?
Uh,
This
to
side?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know what is outdoor, uh,
Outboard.
outboard, outboard,
Yes,
inboard?
sir.
What is
Yes, sir.
outboard
There
and
is a
inboard?
one. We will draw a center line
Hmm.
on this chassis, means on the base,
Hmm.
and whatever is towards the inside of the center line, that is called inboard, and whatever towards the means outside of that center line, that we
Hmm.
called as outboard, towards the
Okay.
outside.
Okay. The simple logic is whatever which is toward the door side will be outboard.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you can see the door of the vehicle. Here will be also, here also you can find one side cover. Door side means this will be outboard. If you have some cover on the on this side, it will be inboard. It will be inboard. Clear? Okay. Now, so what is this? This is a small box. This is a bigger one. We will call it as 60p. 60p. We will call this as 40p. So what is 60p, 40p? 60 percentile, 40 percentile. This row, this seat, let's consider you have again the last row. Okay, the third row. Okay, now tell me, so what is 60 and 40? Any logic?
Sir, as far as I know a little bit, 40%. I think it is at 40%, 60%. Is
Perfect.
40% of the seat is being accommodated of the full seat, and
Hmm,
remaining 60% it is accommodated on the right side.
perfect. What is the purpose of 40p?
So that I don't know.
What is the tumble? Seat tumble.
Seat seat number,
Tumble.
not our, sir.
I have seen if you want to. Okay, tell me how if someone wants to sit on the row 3. What is this? This is our row 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir, got it now. This
Foldable, sir.
40
Yeah,
40p
foldable.
will be foldable.
Row
40p will be
3,
foldable.
row 2, and row 1. If someone wants to enter and want to sit on row 3, he will come from this side. He will tumble the seat 40p. Okay, and two passenger will enter from this side. Got it? What is the purpose of 40p?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Most of, so is it mandatory that it should be 40 20 40 60? No. If you are the third row, then 40 60 will be required. Okay. Sometime it will be, sometime it will be 40 20 40. Okay. End out 40 20 40. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
see, this is the things what we are discussing now. It is completely related to your interview. Okay. Now, what is this X system? We will call it as name of X
Absolute,
is absolute access
absolute.
system. Okay. Now, sir, I want to design a seat. I want to design a seat. What we will need? We will need one position of BIW on which you are going to assemble the seat of the car. Okay. Sir, how will you define the position of seat inside the car with respect to the environment of BIW? We will define it with help of R point. The red cross is R point. What is R point? Any idea?
It is a seat reference system, sir.
Perfect.
Seat reference position.
Reference point. Okay. With, see, tell me if you want to assemble any part, let's say you are working on any furniture. Okay. Kitchen modular. You want to assemble your drawer in your kitchen. Will you design that drawer inside kitchen directly, or will you design it separately, then you will bring, then you will assemble the sliders drawer in kitchen?
We will design it separately, we will manufacture it separately, and then we will assemble
Perfect.
separately.
But before designing, you should have the proper position. What will be the
Yes, sir.
height of the drawer, where you will going to assemble each and everything. You will have a
Yes.
common point with respect to your kitchen environment and the drawer environment, drawer design. You will have a common point. That
Yes.
point is
Yes, sir.
R point. Okay. So this will be a common point in BIW, and same common point you will use to design your seat. So will we use this point to design each and every part of the seat? Yes. Okay. Yes, we will use this point to design each and every part of the seat. Okay. So after R point, tell me, Okay, this point is done. Okay, now tell me, is there any motion in your seat?
Yes.
Yes.
What type of motion do you know inside seats?
Two-way, four-way, six-way, and eight-way. Two-way is basically forward and reverse,
Okay,
and four-way means it is forward and reverse, as well as it can move upwards and downwards.
okay,
And six-way, I think forward, reverse, up and down, and headrest we can tilt towards backside at an angle and front side at an angle. And eight-way means there are the wings in the means bolsters in the seating system that also we can adjust at an angles.
and if you have some headrest adjustment, then
Mm, that I don't know, sir.
okay, if you have some seat headrest as adjustment, the last point, Nile, what you mentioned, the bolster adjustment and all, that is very advanced. Okay,
Okay.
that will not be in basic. But if you
Okay.
want the basic car, basic variant, seat track length adjustment, as you mentioned, seat will move front and rear.
Yes.
Recliner adjustment, where you can tilt your backrest. The third one will be the headrest adjustment, up and down, with respect to your
Yes.
height, head position. Okay,
Okay.
let's consider this as a six-way.
Okay.
Okay, now tell me, are you going to move the mechanism of seat, or are you going to move the complete seat?
Mm, mechanism, so seat mechanism will be.
Okay, let me take the screenshot, otherwise there will be some issue. Seat mechanism, okay. Okay, seat mechanism. Okay, so as you mentioned, sir, seat will move means seat will not move. So we will just move the mechanisms of seat. Tell me, if you are operating, if you are changing, if you are using the switches, the HMI from the side cover, okay, how will you operate your seat with help of the side cover switches? Yes or no? HMI.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you're moving your seat frontward, rearward, recliner, headrest up and down, okay. So are you changing the seat position? Will this seat position, this seat, complete seat position will change with respect to your BIW? Will it change?
Seat position, I think it will change, but complete seat will not change. Means it
Yes,
will
complete
be.
seat will not change. Let's say this is your BIW, okay. This is your BIW. Okay, in this BIW, you have this seat track. Okay, let's say this is seat track and this is the second seat track. Okay, tell me the white seat track, and on this one you have a complete seat with headrest. Clear? Now tell me the white one, this gray one, okay, it will be fixed with your BIW, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is locked now. It is locked. Tell me. Now you are operating your seat mechanism with help of the switch box on the side cover. This seat position, now the red one is your BIW, white track is fixed with BIW. So this will be your which point?
I
Sorry,
I think our point only.
others, Subhajit,
I
Deepak,
think R point, yes, R point.
H point maybe.
H point and R, yes. Sir,
We
I
are
think H point and
we are
R
not
point are same only.
discuss we are not discuss regarding H point.
Yeah, that will be R point only, sir.
Others, Venkatesh, Subhajit, Shweta, Deepak,
R
Rajat.
point, sir.
R point,
This will
sir.
be R point. Okay, this will be R point. Now you have located your complete seat with help of this base track and it is fixed with BRW. Now this is fixed. Okay. Now what you want? You want to adjust your seat. For the, let's say, Rajat wants to sit on this seat and the height is 6 feet. What is the height? 6 feet. Okay. 6 feet. Now for the 6 feet person, tell me, he will adjust his seat. Will he move his seat backward or frontward? Here is the clutch, brake.
Backward, sir.
Yes,
Backward, sir.
Backward.
rearward. Okay.
Back.
He will move, adjust the seat backward. So new point will be here. New point will be here, yes or no? What is this
Yes.
position? This position is right now the orange what we had designed. This is a design position. What is this? Design position. So if Rajat wants to drive the car, he will move the seat backward. Let's say moved by 50 mm. Okay, 50 mm. Let's say 50 or 100 mm. He moved the seat backward 100 mm. Let's say Shweta wants to drive the car now, but height is let's say 5 feet. Yes, for 5 feet, what she will do?
He
Forward move करना
will.
फॉरवर्ड
Yes.
मूव करना पड़ता
She will move his
फॉरवर्ड
her seat forward. So this will be a new position. Yes or no? Yes. Now for the 5%, sorry, 5 feet person, Shweta will move the seat forward as also she will need some height. Yes or no?
Yes.
So she will also move the seat upward little bit. So new position will be this one. Yes or no? And Rajat is 6 feet person, moved seat backward, but headrest here is the roof and the headrest is here. Rajat is here now. Tell me, is it okay or not okay? No need for this position. So Rajat will try to move seat downward little bit. Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Yes.
Rajat will move this seat downside. Let's use white point downside here. Okay. Now, so what is this? This motion. So if you check all motions, in with respect to seat length adjustment and the height adjuster. What is this up and down height adjuster? Okay, just keep in mind this word. Okay, we are going to use this thing in our projects. Height adjustment, seat track length. So if I draw a box over here, the box will be like this. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So here you can see green point and white point. Tell me, red point we are using, what is the red point representation? It will represent the position of this seat with respect to BIW. And the green point and the white point, it is a common point with respect to different occupant or let's say different driver, user. This is the point with respect to the user. So this point we will call it as H point. Clear?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between H point and R point? Interview question. Tell me the answer. What is the difference between H point and R point? Quickly.
H point and R point are basically same only.
Hmm. Then why we have two separate point, H point, R point? Subhajit?
सर भूल गया.
तो ये जो टॉर्सो जो एंगल
सर एच पॉइंट जो रहता है वो रिलेटेड रहता है सीट और ऑक्यूपेंट से एंड आर रहता है रेफरेंस पॉइंट रहता है सर.
Reference point means what?
सर वो मतलब चेंज नहीं होता है, वो स्टे रहता है अपने पोजीशन पे 0 0 एक्सिस के हिसाब से एब्सोल्यूट एक्सिस सर.
Okay. Nilay, Deepak, Rajat.
सर मेरे को याद आ गया है थोड़ा. मीन्स वो जो मैनिकन या जो ऑक्यूपेंट का जो टॉर्सो लाइन रहता है एंड जो थाई का जो जहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट होता है उसको एच पॉइंट बोला जाता है.
Okay. See, tell me, if Shweta is driving car, 5 feet height, okay. She is moving seat frontward and upward, okay. So Shweta is here now, okay. Shweta is here now, okay. If she is moving seat frontward and upward, this red point will shift to this green position, yes or no?
Yes.
So what is happening? The occupant H point and the seat H point is common, and it will move with respect to the mechanism of seat. The H point will be the common, as Shweta mentioned. H point will be the common point, and it will represent the relation of occupant position and the seat position.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes,
And
sir.
what is R point? R point is fixed. The seat is fixed on the BIW structure. Seat is not going to move anywhere.
Okay.
Seat is fixed. So R point will be fixed. With respect to R point, the H point will move. So what is this? The dotted white box, we will call it as travel box.
Okay.
Note it down, okay? This is travel box. Inside which, what is travel box?
H point will travel.
Perfect. Clear?
Yes, sir. सर मीन्स जो एच पॉइंट रहेगा वो ऑक्यूपेंट के पोजीशन के हिसाब से उस बॉक्स में मूव करेगा, सही है?
Yes.
And during the designing of the seating system, we are getting seat reference position through the customers and OEMs.
Yes.
Okay. So we at the end of after designing the seat, we need to match H point and R point, right?
Yes.
And that
It is not
within that
mandatory.
box.
See, it is not mandatory. Whenever if you receive this style, if you receive the style, say this is a seat structure. I don't know what is happening. This is a seat structure. Here, let's say this is the H point or R point. Okay, let's say R point. You will receive this style. Okay, once you receive the style will be with respect to this position only. Clear?
Okay.
If you open one product, and if you copy the complete set structure in that product, and if you are the STO, also you copy paste in one product, you will get a perfect position. Why? Because see, this is a product, this is the structure, this one, and this is the style. Inside this product, if you copy paste this structure, if you copy paste this style, automatically you will get a perfect position. Why? Because the designer will take the reference of this R point. Got it? See, this will the backrest, this will the cushion. Okay, if you are the armrest will be here, and headrest will be here. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
because the styling team will take the reference of R point. Okay, and in structure you will have the R point. So if you copy paste this style in your structure, automatically you will get a perfect position. Why? Because R point is a common point, yes or no?
Yes.
It is common point. Okay. So you will receive R point, H point, style and structure from OEM. This is clear. Now, sir, to design this wire, let me check all points are covered or not. Absolute access system is clear. Now, sir, what is design access system? Design access system will be on H point. Here will be design access system. 1, 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So why design access system will be here, absolute access system will be here. Absolute access system will be a reference to decide the design access system. Okay, we will measure our all coordinate from absolute access system. Once we got our design access system, then we will create our second level design access system for individual parts. But for complete set, this will be the design access system.
R point.
R point.
Okay.
And the
Sir, please
coordinate
can you
of this, yes,
please can you go to the means data sharing group? I have sent some question. I think the questions which I have sent and which you are telling looks the same only answer. So I just
okay,
need to confirm. I think yes, data share group.
okay, just a minute. Oh, by mistake, I think I shared in data sharing. Okay, data sharing. Yes.
Upper, I think it is. No, no, no. In the advanced group, advanced only. I have shared.
This
Yeah,
one?
I think yes, yes, yes. This one design position and body position. I think.
Where is
The
design position, body position?
second
Huh.
next image, sir.
Okay. Body position is where a part is located with respect to body perfect. Design position is a point of view you draw part from. Okay. Okay. So Nile, we
So
will cover this point. Okay. What is body position and what is design
okay,
position? Okay. I think in this
okay,
week you will get your answer. Okay.
okay, sir. Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. What is this? 4 and okay. 4 and aft. Okay. This we discussed just now, the complete position. We help to define. Okay. Viper pattern. No use. Okay.
I think, sir, SGRP, what you told, the seat reference point. Yes.
I don't know what is G, but you can call it as a reference point. Okay.
Yeah, that I know. Yeah, that is clear.
Body position, design position we will discuss. Grid line formed by intersection of planes. Okay, this also we will discuss. Grid lines help package, yes, and locate object and spaces. Okay. Work line are located on individual part. Sorry, I didn't get this point, but we'll discuss. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Now, sir, how to bring the absolute access system? Take a new file, part. Once you open a new file, okay, this style what we have right now, it is a rough style. So I don't think the absolute system concept will work over here because this is created by us only. Okay, let me check. In product we will discuss how to take the access system and all, but right now to design the wire, click on Y. Here you can see Let's take a midpoint of this wire. How to take a midpoint? Here you can see. Let's go to GSD, File, Start, Shape, Generate to Shape Design. Okay. Let me go to the tools option. No, customize, right click, customize. Let me reset all positions of tools. Tools, commands, tools, restore all content. Okay. Restore position. Okay. Close. Take a point. Put it in edge mode. Where is the edge mode? Put it in edge mode. Point will be center. Sphere. Okay. See. Before taking this point, I will delete this one, or without deleting, I will put one geometrical set, new geometrical set, Alt I G. Okay. I got this window. Let's say wire design. This one. Now point what I have created, it is inside the first geometrical set. I want this point inside the second one. So what I can do, right click on the point, last option, change geometrical set. Click on this one. Okay. See, now point is inside wire design. Let's hide this one. Let's rename this as input. Let's say input underscore style. Hide this one. Now second point. Second point again same. Circle, sphere, ellipse. Select this each. I got the second one. Again I will repeat. Double click. Okay. See, before this one, let's delete this one. Delete this 2 point. Let's learn the first step first. First step is we will extract this. Everyone, you know where is extract command? This one, extract.
Yes, sir.
Extract with tangent propagation. See, in extract we have command no propagation. The second is point continuity. In point continuity, CATIA will extract each and everything. If there is no tangency, then also it will extract. Second is tangent continuity. In tangent continuity, wherever you have tangency, it will extract. See, here we have sharp edge. So CATIA will not extract this surface. No use of curvature. Same meaning, if you have curvature continuity, CATIA will extract that curvature surfaces. Let's keep the tangent continuity. Here you can see we have extracted complete surface. Click on OK. Our first rule is whatever we are taking elements from our dump body, we will not keep any relation. Okay, so here you can see this is the dump surface, okay, of the side cover. We have hide this one. We have this wire. Let's hide this wire now. From downside, here you can see what is this. This is the extract surface. Right click, center graph, extract. So right click on it, last option, break the relation, isolate. This is the rule. We will never keep any relation with dump body or the dump surface. See, this is dump surface. Can you see this thunder symbol, red symbol? Yes. Is it visible? The small symbol.
Which one, sir?
Here, can you see on surface one, the blue surface and the red symbol?
Yes, sir.
Same symbol you can find over here.
Yes, sir.
So this is the symbol of dump, means without history surface, without history body. we will call it as dump. Okay, so what is our first rule? We will never keep any relation with dump. Okay, so we have just taken the reference, we have extracted the surface of the wire. Here you can see, show the wire, see, like this. Okay, now take a point on the edge. This time I will not use circle. Okay, just forget what we have done previously to create 2 points, just forget that one. Take a point on curve so that you will get a point on the edge of the this one surface. Click on OK. Now you got 1 point. Take anywhere, no issue. Inside here, spline in GSD, you will find isopara. What is the meaning of isopara? Yes. What is the meaning of isopara? How it will work?
Actually, non-parametric है ना sir?
No, it is not non-parametric. It is parametric.
पैरामेट्रिक ही है वो आइसोपैरा.
See, I want a curve which will follow the behavior of this surface. Okay. See, isopara on this surface passing through this point on the surface. I don't want like this. I want along the length. So click on LO button. See. Got it? Yes, no? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Can you see?
Yes, sir.
I got a curve, and if you notice the flow of that curve is same like the extracted surface. Means support. Click on OK. So Deepak, this is not the dump curve, okay? It is parametric.
Okay.
If you change the position of this point, curve will also move. Let's keep, instead of 10 points on, let's make it 6. Enter. Say point is moved now. Right click on the curve. Say local update. Say in my system, if I change anything, automatically it will get update. So this button should be in manual mode. Can you see these two buttons? While working on project, this two button, from this two button, this should be activated 24/7. Manual update mode. Until and unless if you right click and say local update, it should not be update. Okay. So why? Because right now we don't have any history over here. On the left side in tree, we don't have any history. If you started working on the project, you will have a long history. Okay. You will use nearly 500, 400 commands in one project, let's say. So if you're modifying anything, let's say you modified the point. On this point, you have designed the curve. With help of this curve, you are creating one surface. From that surface, again, you are extracting the edge. On that edge, you are applying sweep. So what will happen? If you change the coordinate of or the position of this point, and if you click on OK, and this is not in manual mode update, after each and every command, CATIA will update complete 3D. Yes or no? So we don't want like this for after each and every command, CATIA will update the complete history. No. What I want, first, I will do the complete modification. I will modify this. After this, I will do some modification on this because this is a dependency. See, I have created one point, then isopara, then I have used sweep, then I have used some extract command. Again, I have created some point, then I have used split. So this should be in manual update mode. Why? Because if I change anything from this one, CATIA will update this, CATIA will update this, CATIA will update this, and this without asking you, without your permission. CATIA will start updating each and everything. But if I activate this command, every time this should be in activate mode, manual update. So what will happen? First, I will modify this one. Then I have something in mind with respect to this. So again, I will do some changes on this one first. After this, I will update this one, but how I will update? Just right click and say local update. But after this, I want to update, I want to do some modification on this one. Then after that, if I think okay, now everything is okay, now I will click on this button, the second one, update all. Then CATIA will update each and everything. Got it? Otherwise, what will happen if you change the coordinate, CATIA will update each and everything. If you modify this one, CATIA will update each and everything. If you modify this one, CATIA will update each and everything. So what will happen? CATIA will take time. Okay, clear? So keep in mind this mode should be activated. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we have taken one point, then isopara. Now, so what is the use of that point and isopara? I want the middle neutral axis. What we will call it as? We will call it as neutral axis system. Neutral length of the wire. To find out the neutral length of the wire. Any idea what we will do? We have this curve. What we will do? Quickly. Quickly. See, we will use sweep. We will use sweep. Let's check what is the diameter of wire. What is the diameter of wire? What is the diameter or radius?
5 mm.
5 mm. So now we know the 5 mm radius. What I will do? I will use sweep.
Circle command.
No circle. We'll use
Okay,
line
okay.
command. Okay. Inside line command, I will take the reference surface. Okay. See. Guide curve will be this one. Reference surface will be the tube extracted one. And length one will be Rajat. Length one will be 5 mm. Why? Because our radius is 5 mm.
Yes, sir. 5 mm.
Click on preview. Tell me, do you want surface like this? 5 mm downside? Do you want surface like this? 5 mm downside? No.
Sir,
No.
90 degrees. Maybe.
Angle will be 90 degree. We
So why
want,
90 degree?
see what will happen with help of 90 degree. Do you want this side? No, we want this side. Click on the arrow and preview. See what happen.
It is flowing from the inside.
Inside of the tube. Can you see? Deepak, Adas, Venkatesh, Rajat,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Abhay, Said. Okay. So now we will click on OK. Now if I hide this one, or let's make this surface transparent, right click center graph. Here is my surface. I don't have the upper tool, so right click on this one, click on the graphics property. Here you can see, just click on 50%. Okay. Now you can extract the inner edge. Extract. Click on OK. Just click on this one. Change the representation little bit. Let's apply some color yellow. Can you see the yellow line now? It is a center neutral length of the wire, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's hide the surface, hide this sweep, hide this one. Done. Now, sir, if suppose I want to modify, no use of this point. If I want to modify, can we modify this wire? Yes or no? Can you change the bend? Yes or no? Can you change this bend and all? No.
No.
Is it possible? No. So what we will do? We will extract this one. Or what we will do? We'll take a line from this till this one. Let's increase. Point to point, click on OK. Double click on the line. this point and this point. Extend, click on OK. What is the meaning of double click on the command?
We means further we don't need to
Yeah.
go to that command and select. Yes.
Yes. First point, second point, extend. Click on OK. First point, second point, extend your end and start. Click on OK. First point and second point. Just repeat this step for all edges. Last one, I think. First, second, click on OK. Close. Now what we will do? Intersect. See, tell me, these are the lines we have created from a single curve. That means the curves means these are the flat straight edges. So that means this and this should be intersect somewhere over here. Preview. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, I got the second point. Then again 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Cancel. Okay, I got intersect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any doubt till this point?
No, sir.
No. Okay, now this is the first length. Here you can see this is the first length. So let's take one point anywhere for now. Let's take one point on 0, 0, 0 on coordinate. Click on OK. So this is a point on 0, 0, 0. Take one axis system on this point. Click on OK. Control S, save the file. Clear any doubt? Now
No.
here we have 5 intersection. What I will do, I will select all 5. We'll say right click, last option say isolate. Done. Now what I will do, double click on the point 5, means the first point. Also let's extract the last 2 points, 1 and 2. Extract these 2 points, click on OK. Also just isolate these 2 points, right click, last option isolate. Done. Now starting from the first point, double click on the point. Before that, here we have the axis system. Let's check this axis system should be current. See, now it is in current. Okay, set as not current means it is in current now. It is current now. Double click on the point, change this point into coordinate. Click on OK. See, once you change the coordinate, here you can see you are getting coordinate of this point from this axis system. Clear? Click on OK. Now again double click on the second point. Sorry, here is the second point. Double click on it, coordinate. OK. Double click on point, make it 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 coordinate. OK. Now last point, double click on it, make coordinate. Click on OK. Done. Any doubt till this point? Done?
No, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, is there any relation from point number 5 till point number 11? Is there any relation whatever we had done from point, isopara, sweep, extract, then we had drawn multiple line, then we had taken intersection, that intersection we have isolated and converted that point into coordinate. Tell me, is there any relation from point 5 till point 11 from this one? See, we have these commands. Is there any relation between this orange selected and this upper portion? Is there any relation?
No, sir.
Why?
Because we have already isolated them and we have given the coordinates with the axis system.
Perfect. Now we have these points in relation with this axis system. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me from point 3 till line 6. Do we need this history?
No, sir.
Can I delete this one?
Yes, sir, you can delete.
Let's delete. Sir, if you delete this one, it will delete this line as well. Yes, no issue. Let's delete. I have this point. Okay. Now what can I do? Everyone knows what is polyline. Click on polyline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Click on OK. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Before deleting, what I will do? I will say undo. So why? Because I need this surface, sweep surface. So what is the purpose? I will explain. Okay, before deleting, let's hide this all lines, all curve, line hide, curve hide, surface hide. Let's use polyline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, done. Now let's check where is our extract. This is our center neutral length, yes or no? Remember extracted one after sweep?
Yes.
Okay, let's use measuring tool. Check what is the bending radius. What is the bending radius?
20 mm.
20. What is the bending radius? 20. What is the bending radius? 20. 20. Okay. 20. Yes. So bending radius is 20. So what I will do, hide this extract. You have polyline, double click on it. Go over here, make it 20. Third point, make it 20. Fourth point, make it 20. Fifth, 20. Sixth, make it 20. Okay. See, you got bendings. Okay. Now the last command quickly.
Sir, I
Last
think वो
command will be
last में आपने 2 mm दे दिया radius. I think you have given 2
double
mm
click
radius.
on this one. Okay, it should be 20. 20 enter. Yes. Last command will be
Sweep command.
sweep with
I think circle point. I think
circle,
radius and
center and radius.
yes, sir.
Center will be this one.
Yes, sir.
Radius will be
5 mm.
perfect. Enter. Now this is your new sweep. Tell me the history before 0.5. I can delete this one now.
Yes, sir.
Delete. Enter. See, you got sweep. Let's change color, make it dark green, and this is your wire. Tell me, perfectly matching? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, I want to change. Now I want to modify the wire as per my project requirement. Just double click on the point. So I want to move this point on y side, towards y side, y direction by 5 mm. So here you can see 58 point something. Let's add 5 mm in this. So it is 58. Let's consider this as 58. Remove this mm, put plus 5, or let's add 15. Okay, 15 mm. Preview. Okay. Double click on this point, and the requirement is, sir, this should be straight. This length should be straight. So you have moved this point by 15 mm. You will have to move this point as well in y direction. Remove this y mm. Remove this, shift plus 15. Preview. Okay. Done.
Yes, sir.
Also, there is one requirement, sir. I want to move this point in x direction. I want this length little bit larger. Double click on the point. Now this time I will change x coordinate. I want to move it by plus, let's say 40 mm. Preview. Click on OK. See, let's do undo. See, what is our requirement? We have changed this 2 point. Should I click on this update? Should I update complete wire, or should I first change the point, this one, as per my requirement?
Need to change first point.
First we will change point. I will not update again and again. Just change this x coordinate by plus plus or minus, yeah, plus 40. Preview. Okay. Now I will just update the sweep, right click, local update. See, updated. Simple, in one shot. Yes or no? Pink one is
Yes, sir.
a dump one, right click center graph. This is a dump one. Green one is your new wire. So, but this is a surface. If I hide this wire, it is a hollow surface. Yes, last command is Alt IB, go to part design, mechanical design, part design.
So don't we need to close that lower portion of the circle, or else?
Yes. See, this is a simple geometry for CATIA. So CATIA will
Okay.
close it. Go over
Okay.
here, use close surface, select the surface, click OK. Hide this green surface. Apply. Select the wire, right click O. This is our parametric wire design. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Select the body, apply green color if you want. Now check with the pink one, dump one. Simple to modify.
Yes, sir.
See, this portion is perfectly matching. If client is asking you to modify the wire, you can modify as per project requirement. See, any doubt? Yes,
No, sir.
No, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have the file, you have the dump wire in that file. Okay, please start your close volume by yourself. Okay, just use the simple logic. If you are getting some damaged surface or some sharp edges, yes, what Deepak mentioned in our group is perfectly, he has mentioned perfectly over here. Where is your message, Deepak? Uh,
Starting में
First, you have to remove from a
इधर
surface.
ही
After creating new patch, use merging distance. Join all surface, then check the surface by applying boundary. Perfect. Yes. Okay. Yes. A surface thick होने के बाद C and BNC create करना है. Perfect. Okay. Yes. So Nilay, if you put everyone, if you put this surface in edge mode, here you can see, you can remove this patch and you can create new one. You can remove this patch and you can create new one.
Okay. So we need to use disassemble command.
You can use disassemble, or let's say, see, let's suppose if I put here, you can see a small patch. Yes, here you can see a small patch. If I put
Yes,
this
sir.
in SOP mode, here will be sharp edges, yes or no? If this patch is not good, here I will get some sharp edges. So what I will do,
Yes.
Control 2, I will explain how to set up the shortcuts, okay? Go apply join. Deepak, you know this one, remove sub element?
हाँ वो पता है सर.
Good. Click on the surface. See, click on join. Select one surface. Here you have one option, remove sub element. Element to remove, sub element to remove. Activate this mode. This tab, click on it. And here you can select this patch if you want to remove this surface and you want to rebuild this one. Select this patch, click on preview. Click on OK. Where is the surface? OK. Geometrical set is in hide mode.
Okay, got it, sir.
Just remove the local patches and rebuild the patches.
Okay.
And apply a single join as Deepak mentioned 0.03 value.
Okay.
Everyone clear, Shweta? Yes. Clear, Akshay? Are you getting Akshay, Subhajit, Deepak, Shweta, Sachin?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, see Raja, Sachin, and Ganesh is here. Hello Raja, Sachin, Ganesh. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So,
How are you, sir?
yes, Ganesh, I'm good. How are you? How's Deepali?
Good. Yes, sir. Good, sir.
Good.